everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel right from your mobile phone. It's super easy, no laptop needed. So if you have been wanting to start your own channel, let's get started. First, just open your YouTube app like this. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store and then just open it. Next, just log in with your Google account. This is the email that you will use for your channel. And then if you want to use a different email or create a new one, just simply type switch account and then just tap plus icon or plus button, this one. And then just log in with the new Google account that you want to use. Just enter your email. For example, like this. And then enter your password. Like this, and then just go to your profile. And then just tap on create a channel. Next, just upload your profile picture. It can be your own photo or your channel logo. And then just adjust the position, the size as you like, and after that just save as a profile picture. Just tap on it. Like this. Next, just enter your channel name and handle. For example, like this, you can just make your own name. For example, like this, and then just save. And then if you change the name of your channel, the handle will change automatically. But if you wanna change it, just tap on pencil icon and then just change your handle name. And when you're done, just tap on create channel. And okay, like this, as you can see, your YouTube channel is now ready. And then to upload a video, just tap on plus button, this one. And then just choose video that you want to upload. After that, just add a title, descriptions, and then just hit upload. And your first video is now live. And then if you want to manage your channel more easily, I recommend installing the YouTube Studio app like this. With this YouTube Studio, you can check your analytics, respond to comments, and customize your channel details. And if you want to more advanced feature, just open YouTube Studio on your browser like this. Just open it to your browser and then just turn on the desktop mode or desktop site like this. And then all features will be appear, and you can zoom in or zoom out to control the view, and it's really helpful for creators who don't have a PC. And okay, that's how you can create and manage a YouTube channel using your phone. It's super simple, right? Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.